Hello, Palfish. My name is Teacher May. I am from the beautiful country of the Philippines. So, welcome to my cute and colorful classroom. Before I start my class, I will always make sure that I have all the materials needed for the class. I have here the rewards like sweets. I also have the big star and also the animals needed for this class. So let's begin. Hello, my name is Teacher May. What is your name? Hello, Anna. What a lovely name you have. Can you please say, my name is Anna? Very good. One more time. Say, my name is Anna. Very good. Now, how old are you, Anna? 5. Okay, say 5. 5. Very good, baby. One more time. 5. 5. Very good. All right. So, how are you today, Anna? Are you happy or sad? I'm fantastic. You are happy. That's great to hear. And because of that, I'll give you a lollipop. Okay. So now we are going to officially start our class by singing the hello song.
Hello Song.
Hello, teacher. Hello, friends. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, teacher. Hello, friends. Hello, hello, hello.
All right. So hello, Anna. Are you now ready to learn with Teacher May? All right. Can you say yes? I am ready. Fantastic. All right. Now let's next to the next lesson. All right. Oh, look. What can you see on the screen? All right. That's a monkey. Very good. Can you say monkey? Very good. One more time. Say monkey. Very good. So today we are going to learn hello monkey. So let's see the video.
What do you see? I see a dog. Look. What do you see? I see a fish. Look. What do you see? I see a butterfly. Look. I see a monkey. Look. We love them all.
Yay! Thank you very much for listening to the animal song, Anna. Did you enjoy it? All right, can you say yes, I did? Yes, all right, amazing. So now let's go. All right, so let's first learn about the orders. So, can you see the pink card? See the pink card? All right. So here's what we'll be going to do. Let's touch the card and click like this. Follow teacher. Click, 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 click. All right. Go on. Click, click, click. Very good. Great job. So, and because of that, you got a big star. Okay. So now, keep it up. So, Anna, now I wanted to please show your two hands and clap with teacher like this. Clap, clap, clap. All right. One more time. Clap, clap, clap. Very good. One more time. Clap, clap, clap. Very good. So now let's help Mr. Sun. So let's drag the piece so that Mr. Sun will be completed. Let's drag, drag, drag. Okay, let's drag, drag, drag. All right, very good. So you'll get another ice cream for an excellent student like you. Yummy. All right. So we are going to learn some words and let's watch a video. Paul and Charlie go camping. What do they see? Let's have a look.
Huh? What
What
do
do
you
you
see?
see?
Oh, dog!
Dog.
I see a dog!
A dog. All right. So they see a dog. Arf, arf, arf. Okay, now let's do the next slide. Okay. All right. Look at the screen. I see a dog. What can you see on the screen, Anna? A dog. All right. You see a dog. Look at the dog. Can you please click, click, click the dog? Click, 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 click. All right. All right. Very good. Now this time we are going to act and sound like a dog. Look at teacher. Follow teacher. Arf, arf, arf. Can you do it? All right. One more time. Arf, arf, arf. All right, very good. Fantastic. You did a great job, Anna. So for that, I will give you a very good. Okay. So next.
Oh no!
Oh,
Huh? What do you see?
I see a fish!
a fish.
Thank you, fish.
Wow, the fish helps them. Thank you so much, fish. So let's learn some more. All right. Oh, look. I see a fish. I see a fish. All right. What do you see? All right. It's a fish. Let's say fish. One more time. Fish. All right. You got it. Okay. So now I want you to please click, click, click the picture. Click, click, click. All right, very good. Now, Anna, this time, let's make a bubbles and swim like a fish. Can you do it? Can you do it? All right, very good. One more time. Very good. Amazing. All right. So let's learn some more.
Huh?
What do
What
you
do you
see?
see?
I see a
A
butterfly.
Yes,
butterfly.
it's a butterfly.
All right, they see a butterfly. Butterfly. All right. Now, so look at Anna. I see a butterfly on the screen. A butterfly. What do you see? Wow, great job. I see a butterfly. Can you say, I see a butterfly? Very good. One more time. I see a butterfly. Very good. So now, please click the picture. I want you to please click, 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 click. All right. Very good. Amazing. Great job. Now, this time, we are going to act like a butterfly. Look at me. Can you do it? Butterfly. Butterfly. Very good. All right. Great job. Great job. Okay. Next.
What do you see?
I see a monkey. Ha!
Hello,
Huh?
monkey.
Hello, monkey.
Thank you, monkey.
All right. Thank you so much, Monkey. Okay. So now we are going to see a picture on the screen. Can you guess what is this animal? Hoo 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 ha. All right. That is a monkey. Okay. So can you say, I see a monkey? All right. Perfect. One more time. Say, I see a monkey. Hoo hoo ha. Okay. Perfect. So now, can you please click the monkey? Okay. Very good. Now, what we'll be going to do is we are going to act and sound like a monkey. Can you do it? Follow teacher. Hoo 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 hoo. It's your turn. Very good, very good. So one more time. Hoo hoo. Let's do it together. Hoo 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 hoo. Very good. So since you are so smart, I will give you this time a big star. All right. So now let's go and learn another one. Okay. So now we are going to listen, clap, and pronouns. Okay. So show me your hands, Anna. Hands. And let's clap, 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 clap. And say first, dog, dog. Okay, can you do it? Dog, dog. Very good. Now this time, let's do the fish, fish, fish. One more time, fish, fish. Very good. Now, how about the monkey? The monkey. All right, let's do it. Monkey, monkey, monkey. All right, very good. Now, the last one. How about the butterfly? Let's go. Butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. You can do it. Butterfly, butterfly. One more time. Butter. Okay, excellent. You're a star. So you are so smart, Anna. You deserve this big star. All right. So now let's learn another one. Oh, look, it's a game time. I can see so many bubbles, Anna. Do you want to play with me? Yes. All right. Can you say, yes, I do? Very good. Great job. So now please click, click, click the dog. Click, click, click. Very good. One more time. Click, click, click. All right. Great job. How about the butterfly? Can you please click the butterflies too? Click, 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 click. All right, very good. You're a star. So since you are a very smart child, I'll give you another cream. Yummy, yum, yum. Now, so for the next slide, we are going to see a game. Let's play a game again. Let's listen and drag. So look. Paul and Shelly are in the living room. What are they doing there? They want to find their toys. So, do you want to play with me again here? All right, say yes, I will. Okay, fantastic. Okay, first, let's look at Paul. He wants a monkey toy. Can you help him find it? The monkey, the monkey. That's his favorite toy. All right, now look at my finger. Touch the monkey and drag it to Paul. Drag, 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 drag. All right, let's drag it. Drag. All right, very good. How about Shelly? Shelly likes the fish. Shelly likes the fish. All right, follow teacher. Let's click and drag, drag, drag the fish to Shelly. Drag, drag. Wow, that's great. Keep it up, Anna. All right, you are very fabulous. So now, let's learn some more. All right, so this time it's listen, listen, and click. Listen and click. Do you want to play another game with me? Yes? All right, say, yes, I do. Very good. You're doing great, Anna. So now, let's click the dog. Click, click that dog. Dog, dog, dog. Very good. Now, let's click the fish. Click the fish. Click, click, click. Very good. Now, how about the butterfly? Click, click the butterfly. Click, click, click. Great job. And the last one, how about the monkey? Very good. Excellent. And for that, a great job. Okay. Now, we are going to play a game which is the spinning wheel. Do you like a spinning wheel? That's great to hear. Okay. So now look at the wheel. Do you want to spin it? Yes. All right. So I want you to spin it. And since you are good in answering the question, you are going to answer to me right now. So keep it up. And you'll get another sweet lollipop. All right. Are you now ready? Okay. Now spin, spin. Click start. Spin, spin. Okay. Wow. What animal is it? What animal is it? Yes, great job. It's a fish. Next. Spin, 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 spin. Wow. Wow. What animal is it? Excellent. That's a butterfly. Very good. Next one. It's a dog. All right. Very good. Next. All right, Butterfly, you are good at spinning things and answering the questions right now. You are very good student. So now, next, let's learn some more. So I will give you 3 stars since you are a very excellent student. Wow, a smart kid. Thank you so much. And let's do the guessing time. It's game time again. Let's play another game. Do you also still want to play with me? Yes. Say, yes, I will. All right. Yes, you will. Okay. So, Teacher May will act like an animal and you will name it. I will act like an animal and you will name it. Okay? All right. So now, let's play the game. All right. What animal is this?
Ready? Go!
Very good. That's the dog. Very good. Next. How about this one? Hoo, 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 hoo. Okay.
Ready?
Ready,
Go!
go. Hoo, 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 hoo. Okay, perfect. That's a monkey. Next, how about this one? How about this one? Now go.
Ready? Go!
All right, that's it. That's right. That's a butterfly. How about this one?
Ready? Go!
That's right. That's a Fish. Very good. Perfect. Very good. Okay. So now, since you have already identified the animals, let's learn some sentences. Let's go. Sentences. Okay. In the cartoon, Paul and Shelley see some animals. When they see a monkey, Shelley asks, "What do you see?" Paul says, "I see a monkey." All right. So, okay, let's learn some sentences. Say, "What do you see?" One more time. What do you see? All right, perfect. Next, I see a monkey. A monkey. All right, very good. Okay, one more time. I see a monkey. Very good. All right, you did a great job, Anna. You are so wonderful. So you deserve another big star. Right? Let's learn some more. Okay. It's game time again. Since you like to play a game with me, please say, "I want to play." All right, very good. So, look at the room. There are animals. What do you see? All right. So, we are going to click the animal. See, if I will say, "I see a dog," you need to click the dog. All right. All right, perfect. I see a dog. Can you please click the picture? All right, that's correct. All right, how about I see the butterfly? The butterfly. Very good. How about this one? I see a monkey. A monkey. All right, perfect. And the last one. I see a fish. A fish. All right. Very good. You are so good at this one, Anna. You deserve a good one. Now, let's proceed. So, I will still give you 3 stars since you are so excellent. All right. Now, look, there is a beautiful stage. So listen to me carefully and act like the animal. So I will randomly ask you about that one, okay? Can you act like Teacher May? All right, can you say yes, I can? Very good. Now, let's act like a dog. Arf, 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 arf. It's your turn. Very good. Come on. Come on. All right. So, how about let's swim like a fish? Fish. Excellent, Anna. How about this one? Let's fly like a butterfly. A butterfly. Hooray! Very good, Anna. And now let's make a sound like a monkey. Hoo, hoo. Can you do it? Hoo, 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 hoo. All right, fantastic. So, the next one, I'll give you 3 stars since still you are so smart. Okay, all right. Wow, so since we're nearly finished, let's see what you learned today. So I will click it. Dog, dog, fish, fish, a butterfly, a butterfly, a monkey. Hoo, hoo, ha, ha. Okay, so what do you see? One more time. What do you see? Okay, very good. Excellent. How about this one? I see a dog. Arf, arf, arf. Very good. So, congratulations! And because of that, you deserve a perfect score, Anna, and many rewards. I'll give you a big star and an ice cream. Yummy. So, thank you so much, Anna, for being smart and for doing your best today. Are you happy today with Teacher Mary? All right, good job. So, since we're finished, it's time to say goodbye, Anna.
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
Again, thank you so much for coming here in my class, Anna. And thank you so much as well for your supportive parents for choosing this class today and for choosing me as your teacher. So, just a reminder, please finish your homework after class, Anna, and you will also practice what you've learned today. I'm hoping to see you again soon here, Anna. Have a great day. Bye bye. Bye bye.